Hi class, this video will be part 1 of Module 6, Lesson 2. I'm going to share my screen now like I did in the first video, so give me a second. All right, now you should see a problem on the board. This is our application problem that we're going to do today. It's a review problem from Lesson 1, which was in my first video. So, yesterday, Ben's bamboo plant grew 0.5 centimeters. Today, it grew another 0.8 centimeters. How many centimeters did Ben's bamboo plant grow in 2 days? So we know how much it grew yesterday and how much it grew today. So we are trying to find the total of what it grew in both days. So let me grab my pen. All right. So if I was thinking about the first step, my first step is I'm going to draw a tape diagram or a diagram just to show a visual of this problem. All right. So the top of our tape diagram is going to be the whole diagram is our total, which we are trying to figure out. So I'm just going to put a B for Ben's bamboo plant. This is Ben's plant. All right. Now, we know how much it grew on the first day and on the second day. So yesterday, it grew 0.5 of a centimeter. And today, it grew another 0.8 of a centimeter. All right. So how would I show that on my diagram? Think in your head for a minute and think about how I would show that on my diagram. Okay, so I'm going to have to split my diagram into 2 parts. However, this is yesterday it only grew 0.5 of a centimeter. And today it grew 0.8 of a centimeter. So we know that 0.8 is bigger than 0.5. So am I just going to divide this in half? No, because we have to show the different sizes. So I'm going to make one side a little bigger than the other. So my smaller side would be my 0.5 centimeters. cm is short for centimeters. And my other side, my bigger side, would be my 0.8 centimeter. Okay. So now, think about what we'd have to do in order to find how much it grew in both days. Think in your head for a minute. So to figure out how much it grew in both days, we would have to add these together. So we have 0.5 plus 0.8. Okay. And remember, you can only add if we have like denominators. The tens are the same, so that means we can add. So now what's 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. So now we have 13 over 10. Now we're just going to leave our answer like that, 13 over 10. No, we're going to change it into a mixed number. So think back to mixed numbers. And what would my mixed number be for 13/10? think about a number bond. How would I pull out? What would I pull out of 13/10? Okay, so if I were to do a number bond, my whole is in tenths, so 10/10 is my whole. So then 13 minus 10 is 3. So we have 1 whole and 3/10. So my mixed number is 1 and 3/10. Now, is that my final answer? No. I need to add my label, so do not forget the labels. In this case, it is centimeters. All right, so 1 and 3/10 centimeters in 2 days. How much Ben's bamboo plant grew. All right, so that was a review problem from yesterday, or from the last lesson. So take a minute to look through it, copy it down if you want to before we move on to today's lesson. Okay, I'm gonna erase the page. All right. So for the next problem, for the first problem of today's lesson, it says we're going to draw line segments of given length and express each segment as a mixed number and a decimal. So if you would like to do this problem along with me, if you have a ruler at home, then I would use that. If not, then you can estimate. I have a ruler tool on here, which I'm going to pull up. All right, here's my ruler. So up top is my centimeter. You can see it's marked as centimeters. All right. So the first thing it tells me to do is draw a line with the length of 2 centimeters. So let's point to our 2 centimeters, where our line needs to go to. So our line needs to go to here, so from 0 to 2. Okay. So let me find my pen. I'm going to draw a line that's from 0 to 2. All right. There's my first line. Okay. 0 to 2. Now we have a line that is 2 centimeters long. Next is asking me to extend my line. I want to make this line longer. That's what extend means. By 6/10 of a centimeter. I'm going to change on a regular ruler. You can see the different tenths. So I'm going to change mine because I cannot see them right now. To say millimeters. So 2 centimeters is 20 millimeters. I want to make it 6 more millimeters long. I'm going to change colors. Okay. And I'm going to draw a line that's from 20 for 6 more tenths of a centimeter. This little halfway point is 5, and then 1 more would be 6. Now I have a line that is 2 centimeters, 2 6/10 of a centimeter long. All right. I'm going to get rid of this ruler now. Figure out how, or I'll just move it. So now I have 2 centimeters and 6/10 centimeters. Okay. Now, so if we were to do 2, we have 2 whole centimeters plus 6/10 of a centimeter. To write this as a mixed number as 2 and 6/10. All right. Centimeter. Can't forget our label. The labels are important in this section, or in this module. All right. Now in decimal form, that is in fraction form. What if we wanted to write it in decimal form? Think about what it would look like in decimal form. Give you 20 seconds to think about it. Okay, so in decimal form, it would be 2. We have 2 wholes and 6/10. I like to think about it as how many holes do I have, and then decimal point, and then how many tenths do I have, or hundredths, or whatever you're doing. Okay. So I'm going to end this part of the video. However, before you watch the next part of the video, I would like you to try to draw a line. Like I said, if you don't have a ruler, just estimate and write the mixed number and the decimal number. So this should be centimeters. And I want you to try 4 and 8/10. So think about your ruler. How would you draw that? Like this in a picture. And then think of your fraction form and your decimal form. All right. I'm going to stop this part of the video. Thank you for watching, and wait to see when I post part 2. Thank you.